Hey Airbnb hosts, want to give your space a little extra charm? Today I'm talking about how live plants can totally boost your Airbnb listing. First up, let's talk benefits. Live plants are for aesthetic appeal. They bring in color, texture, and life, making your space feel super inviting and cozy. Plus, some plants actually improve air quality, so you're not just adding beauty, but also creating a healthier environment. Who doesn't love that? Now think about your guests. Many people appreciate that natural touch. It makes the space feel more relaxing and enjoyable. Better photos can mean more bookings. But before you rush out to buy a jungle, let's consider a few things. Maintenance is key. Live plants need regular care, watering, pruning, getting enough light. If you don't live nearby or have a property manager, this could get tricky. Also, be mindful of allergies. Some guests might be sensitive to certain plants or pollen. And pests. Yep, plants can attract insects, which is a total turn-off for guests. Durability matters too. Some plants are delicate and might not survive frequent guest turnover or varying conditions. And if your Airbnb is on the smaller side, plants might take up valuable space or make things feel cluttered. So, how do you make it work? Choose low-maintenance, hardy plants like succulents, snake plants, or pothos. They can tolerate irregular care. Use decorative pots that match your listing's aesthetic. Place plants where they won't be easily knocked over or damaged, and provide care instructions in your house manual, in case guests want to help out. If live plants are just too high maintenance, consider high-quality artificial plants. They can still add that natural touch without the upkeep. Ultimately, live plants can be a fab addition to your Airbnb if they suit your hosting style and are practical to maintain. If not, no worries. There are plenty of other ways to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, like using artwork, cozy textiles, or other decorative elements. Thanks for watching. Happy hosting!